Want to turn your free time into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add a new skill, these are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up is market research. Businesses need data to make informed decisions, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies understand their customers and competitors. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey, which are great for collecting data. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for market research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses that need help understanding their market. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is motion graphics. With video content dominating the internet, businesses need eye-catching animations for ads, social media, and presentations. As a motion graphics artist, you'll create dynamic visuals that grab attention. Start by learning software like Adobe After Effects or Blender, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on storytelling and animation principles. You can find clients on platforms like Behance or Fiverr, or by networking with content creators. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the creative industry. Third is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. As a tech support expert, you'll help clients troubleshoot software, hardware, and network issues. Start by learning the basics of common operating systems and software. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour depending on the complexity of the issue. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need IT support. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy problem solving and want to tap into a growing industry. Fourth is financial planning. Many individuals and businesses need help managing their finances, and if you have a knack for numbers, this skill is perfect for you. As a financial planner, you'll help clients create budgets, save money, and plan for the future. Start by learning the basics of personal finance and investment strategies. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of their financial situation. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' goals and delivering tailored advice. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for ways to reach their target audience, and running ads on these platforms is one of the most effective methods. As an ad manager, you'll create and optimize campaigns to drive sales and engagement. Start by learning Facebook Ads Manager, which is the go-to tool for creating and managing ads. Many businesses pay $30 to $150 per hour for ad management services, depending on the size of the campaign. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that might need help with their social media advertising. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose market research, motion graphics, tech support, financial planning, or Facebook, Instagram ads, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.